Tired of emailing yourself files just to print them? Today, we'll show you the easy way to print directly from your Android phone to your Canon printer wirelessly. First, make sure your Canon printer is turned on and connected to the same Wi-Fi network as your Android device. Next, on your Android device, open the Settings app, scroll down and tap on Connections, then select More Connections Settings, look for the printing option and tap on it. Here, you'll see a list of available printing services. If you don't already have it, you may need to install the Canon Print Service plugin from the Google Play Store. Once installed, make sure the Canon Print Service is enabled. It should be toggled on. Now, open the document or photo you want to print. For example, in Google Docs, tap the three dots in the upper right corner to open the menu. Then, select Print from the drop-down menu. You'll now see a print preview screen at the top. Tap the drop-down menu that shows Select a Printer. Choose your Canon printer from the list. If it's not listed, double-check that your printer is on the same Wi-Fi network. Adjust your print settings as needed, such as paper size, color, and number of copies. Finally, tap the print icon. It usually looks like a printer. Your document or photo will now be wirelessly printed to your Canon printer.